Okay, in this video what we're going to do is show you how you can set up banners and use banners in places like the traffic exchanges. Now the banners are located in the affiliate tools section in your back office. So we've logged into our demo account and we're going into the affiliate tools. And once we're into affiliate tools, we need to click on banners to get to the banners. Okay, now once the banners start to show up, you'll notice that there is what we call a block of HTML code below each banner. Now if you are a web designer and you've got your own web pages, you can literally just take this entire code and paste it onto your own web page, and the banner as you see it above will show up. But this is no good using this code as it is in a traffic exchange. We need to do something slightly different. So what we're going to do first of all is come down to the banners that are appropriate for traffic exchanges, and you will see in each block of code that it tells you what the current width and height of these banners are. Now most traffic exchanges require a 468 by 60 banner size. So how do we use this code then to place a banner into a traffic exchange? Well, first things first, we obviously want to go through and select one of the banners that we wish to use. Now, as we add more and more banners in, you may find that there'll be a button at the bottom of this page that will allow you to click through and view more banners. So if you ever see a button down here, it allows you to go to page 2, page 3 and so on. It means that there are more banners that you can use. So let's get on with the process of actually setting up a banner in a traffic exchange. Now I've got a traffic exchange open here. This is the Gone Clicking traffic exchange, and as you can see here, what they ask you for is a name for the banner. This is so you can remember what it is, the banner URL and the target URL. In other words, where do you want to send someone when they click on the banner? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do in here is give the banner a name. And so I'm just going to call this one RML number 2 because I've already got one placed in here. Now the first thing it's asking me for here is the banner URL. So if I go back to my Rotate My Links account, what I need to do is have a look in this code and grab the banner URL. Now the banner URL starts in this little block of code here that says image source equals, and then there's a little quotation. What we want to do is copy from the HTTP all the way through until the last number here. So it says http incomebees.com rotate my links image.php bid equals 1 and mid equals 1. You'll notice that I have left the little quotes off the end. I just want this part of the code. So once I've highlighted that, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to copy it. I'm then going to go back to my traffic exchange, and where it asks me for the banner URL, or in some traffic exchanges it says image URL, that's where I'm going to paste that bit of code. So the first thing I'm going to do is highlight the HTTP that's already in there because I want to delete that so I don't end up with HTTP twice. And then I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste, and that will paste the image URL in there. Now the reason we have this last bit of code on here is that it will actually help you track the click-throughs on that particular banner from your RML back office, and we'll show you about tracking banner clicks and click-throughs in another video. But let's continue. The next thing we're asked for here is the target URL. If I go back to my Rotate My Links account, you'll notice up here in the first section of the code it says ahref, and then there's my little bracket again. So what I'm going to do this time is copy this bit of code, which is incomebees.com rotate my links UID, and then it'll be your username number 1 bid underscore 1. That's what I want to copy. Now once again, the last bit of this account details here is in reference to tracking what's happening with your banner and your affiliate link. So you need that entire bit of code. So once again, I'm going to right click on that and copy it. I'm then going to go back to my account here at Gone Clicking, and I'm going to once again, same as before, highlight that HTTP and paste that code in there. Now once that's done, if I click on the add banner, and remember every traffic exchange is slightly different, so let's have a look. We'll add the banner, and if I scroll down the screen, there you go, you can see the new banner has been put in there fine, and that is the banner we selected. And I can double check that by just going back and verifying that that banner is the correct one that's showing up in the exchange. So there you go, that's how you place a banner into a traffic exchange. It is quite easy to do. You've just got to remember which part of the code you need to be able to select for where the image is, and also where the image is going to redirect to when somebody clicks on it.